Dominican Republic, the Caribbean's hidden fashion manufacturing hub. Are you a fashion designer looking to manufacture your clothing line in the Caribbean? Today, we're introducing why the Dominican Republic is one of the most developed garment industries in the region and how you can take advantage of its expertise, benefits, and global trade opportunities. Why the Dominican Republic? The Dominican Republic may be best known for its beaches and culture, but it's also a top apparel manufacturing hub in the Caribbean. So, what makes it stand out? The Dominican Republic's garment sector has developed over decades thanks to proactive government support and strong ties with global buyers. This means reliable production, faster turnaround times, and quality standards that rival other Latin American manufacturing centers. What fashion is the Dominican Republic known for? The Dominican Republic doesn't just make any garments. The country is known for a range of high-value, high-quality products, including t-shirts and knitwear, strong knit sector dresses and blouses, fashion and commercial swimwear, resort wear, perfect for Caribbean-style denim and casual wear, growing in demand children's apparel, specialized production. Whether you're launching a sustainable boutique brand or a full-scale apparel line, Dominican manufacturers have both the experience and capacity to scale. Apparel manufacturing cities. Ready to find your manufacturer? The Dominican Republic has apparel hubs across the country. Top cities include Santo Domingo, capital and largest production cluster, Santiago de los Caballeros, major industrial center, San Pedro de Macorís, textiles and sewn goods, La Romana, garment factories and logistics, Haina and Boca Chica, near major ports for export. Most manufacturers are located in industrial parks or near ports for ease of shipping. Santo Domingo and Santiago offer the greatest number of factories with diverse capabilities. How to find and contact manufacturers. So how do you find and contact these apparel manufacturers? 1. Industry directories. Search directories like dominicantextiles.org or Caribbean Apparel Directory. 2. Trade shows. Attend events like Dominican Textile Expo. 3. Email outreach. Write professional inquiries with tech packs attached. 4. Video calls. Zoom or WhatsApp meetings to confirm details. When reaching out, have your tech pack, quantity, fabric specs, and target delivery dates ready. Manufacturers will ask. Trade agreements and buyer benefits. One of the biggest advantages of manufacturing here? Trade agreements that give buyers preferential access to major markets. 1. DRCA, FTA, Dominican Republic, Central America. U.S. Free Trade Agreement. 2. Caribbean Basin Initiative, CBI. 3. European Union Agreements. 4. CARICOM Trade Links. Thanks to CAFTA, apparel products made in the Dominican Republic can enter the U.S. duty-free if they meet certain rules of origin. That means lower costs and more competitive pricing for your brand. Language and business culture. The primary language for conducting business in the Dominican Republic is Spanish. Although many manufacturers speak English, especially those working with international clients, speak slowly and clearly. Use bilingual emails if possible. Consider a local agent to help negotiate contracts. Being respectful of business culture, punctual meetings, clear communication, and professionalism will go a long way. Extra tips and final advice. Before you go, here are some extra tips for success. 1. Visit in person if you can. 2. Ask for samples before bulk production. 3. Know your costing. Labor, trims, freight. 4. Build strong relationships. This industry values trust. Thanks for watching. If you're serious about launching your fashion line, the Dominican Republic might just be your best production partner in the Caribbean. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fashion business tips.